Hello, today we are going to do Math Kangaroo 2015 4-point questions. Question number 9. Each plant in Jonathan's garden has exactly 5 leaves or exactly 2 leaves and a flower. In total, the plants have 6 flowers and 32 leaves. How many plants are growing in the garden? Here, there are 6 flowers, which means that there are 6 of these plants. 6 times 2 equals to 12. 32 minus 12 equals to 0. To 20. So there are 20 leaves left for these kind of plants. Now we're going to use 20 divided by 5 because there are 5 leaves on these kind of plants. Equals to 4. There are 4 of these plants. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. So A is the answer. Question number 10. Andrea has 4 equally long strips of paper. When she glues 2 together with an overlap of 10 centimeter, she gets a strip of 50 centimeter long. With the other 2, she wants to make a 46 centimeter long strip. How long must the overlap be? So this overlap is just one piece of paper on top of the other piece of paper. Right here it is 10, so we need to use 10 because this is 50 and this is 56. So minus 6. It equals to 4. So A is the answer. Question number 11. Thomas made the following shape with 6 squares of side length 1. What is the perimeter of the shape? Right here. We can turn this into 3 categories. And then here is only 1 and here is 2. So these two make a full one. So now 1, 2, full, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. D is the answer. Question number 12. Each day, Maria writes down the date and then adds together the individual digits. For instance, today on the 23rd March, she writes 23.43 and calculates 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 30 plus 8 equals to 8. What is the largest total she makes in the course of a year? Right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the largest number for September. We're not going to use October, November, and December because she's going to use one digit. So this would be 1 and 0, 1 and 1, and 1 and 12. So we're not going to use that. Here, 9 is the largest number, so we're going to use September, 9. And then in 31 days, we need as many 9s as possible because 9s are the most largest digits. So now, the largest digit with a 9 is 29. So we're going to do September 29th, 29.09. That is 2 plus 9 plus 0 plus 9. It equals to 20. So E is the answer. Question number 13. A rectangle is formed from 4 equally sized smaller rectangles. The shorter side is 10 centimeters long. How long is the longer side? Right now, we can change that. First, we can turn this here. And cut here. So now they're all in squares. Right now, if here's 10 and these are squares, then it will be 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, will be 4 times 5 equals to 20. So C is the answer. Question number 4. In Field Street, there are 9 houses in a row. At least one person lives in each house. Each pair of neighboring houses have at most 6 inhabitants. What is the maximum number of people living in Field Street? Right now, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 houses. And these two are 6. These two are 6. These two are 6. And these two are also 6. But right here, there is missing a house for number 9 to be 6. So instead, because there's missing one, it'll be 3. So, because there's maximum here, it could be 30, because there are 30 balls here, with the 6 minus 1, 30 minus 2, or 30 minus 3. Since it was not the maximum, these 4 answers would be crossed, and D would be the answer because that's the largest number we can get. 30 minus 1, 29. Question number 15. Lucy and her mother were born in January. Today, on 23rd March 2015, Lucy adds together her year of birth, that of her mother, her age, and that of her mother. Which answer does she get? So right here, that means Lucy adds her age, her year of birth, with her mother's year of birth, and her age, and her mother's age. And it equals to something right here. In order to get the age of someone, we can use the year of their right now. In order to get their age, we can use right now's date, which is 2015, to minus her year of Lucy's year of birth. That's how to get Lucy's age right now. And then to get her mother's 2015 right now, minus her mother's year of birth equals to her age. And now, since we're going to add these two together, it would be 2015 minus mother's year of birth plus 2015 minus Lucy's year of birth. It equals to that number. Since these two, there are two 2015s, we'll just cross out the Lucy's birth and her mother's birth. It would just, because this minus sign is with the year of birth, it would be also crossed. It would be just 2015 plus 2015. It equals to 40, the 40/30s. C is the answer. Question number 16. A rectangle has area of 12 centimeters square. The lengths of the sides are natural numbers. Which centimeter could be the rectangle have? Right here, you can get a rectangle. We can try getting what two numbers times together equals 12. It could be 2 times 6, 3 times 4, or 1 times 12. We'll start with 2 times 6. 2, 6, 6, 2. 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. It equals to 16. No answer, too small. No. 3 times 4. 3, 4, 4, 3. So now it would be 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It equals to 14. No answer, too small. No. And now we're gonna try 1 times 12. 1, 12, 1, 12. It would be 12 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1. It equals to 26. So B is the answer. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.